Looking for a romantic getaway in Puerto Rico? This dreamy dome in Caguas, nestled by the serene Carraízo Lake, is perfect for couples who love adventure and nature. The open-air shower and outdoor bathroom bring you closer to nature, while the cozy dome offers AC, a comfy bed, and a big screen TV for relaxing nights together. Whether it's stargazing, soaking in the lake views, or enjoying quiet moments in nature, this stay is all about romance and connection. Watch the full video to see why this could be your next stop. Check out this showcase video and let us know in the comments, is this a place you'd like to visit?